Let's tour this fully furnished, spacious home near Bonifacio Global City. Hi, I'm Jake Bautista from Metroguide Realty, and today let's tour this fully furnished, spacious, and elegantly built 6-bedroom house and lot for sale located here in the Fort Bonifacio area in Taguig City. Now, this property is located very near Fort Bonifacio Global City with fast access towards C5, Makati, and the airport. Let's begin with the property size. It has a total floor area of approximately 690 square meters on a spacious 400 square meter lot with 3 levels. It also has such a grand facade with that all-white aesthetic. Let's go. Through the pedestrian gate, you're welcomed by this soothing sight. From your amenity space to your right upon entering, to your left, you have a spacious carport area for 4 large vehicles. It's almost completely covered, and you can see you can have large vans with high clearances and there won't be a problem. And then here on the other side, you have your relaxing and harmonious swimming pool amenity space. This is such a perfect gathering area for family and friends. And you can imagine having parties and get-togethers here. And from this angle, you can also appreciate the property's front facade as well. On top of that, you also have a tiled patio space right here beside your dining and kitchen space. Now let's head on over towards your main entry. You also have a service entrance here on the left towards the auxiliary kitchen and of course your main entry. Now welcome to your beautiful home. On entering this home, you're welcomed by your grand and spacious living room. You have a high ceiling with cove lighting, windows and curtains all the way to the second level of the property. And the rectangular layout makes for such a clean and relaxing ambiance. You also have a view of the hallway at the second floor. This property is obviously also excellent for showcasing artwork. And from your living space, you have your dining and main kitchen space. Your dining area currently has a table for about 8 people, but you could potentially replace this and have an even larger table. Here on the other side, you have your well-planned modern kitchen. Your well-designed kitchen has a dual-level island countertop with the sink and is an excellent breakfast nook space, as you can see here, with the recessed space for the stools, and you also have modern quality appliances already built in. Another great aspect of the design is there's clear separation for the show kitchen from the main living space. So you can have food being prepared here while having guests on the other side of the amenity space. But at the same time, This is also an excellent space to entertain, and both your dining and show kitchen have access towards your tiled patio space and swimming pool. Let's take a quick look. So this gives you excellent ventilation and an additional al fresco space to entertain and maximize this home. Let's head on in. Now we're back here in your main living space, and it's time to explore the first bedroom. Now this bedroom has an ensuite bathroom as well, and makes for an excellent guest room. And this can also be potentially converted into a home office, but it's up to you. And you have your bathroom here on the other side. Now, in terms of the additional amenities, this property also has 2 staff rooms, a laundry area, and an auxiliary kitchen space here on one side with access towards the parking area for your convenience, with a pantry room as well. And right here, right beside your main entry, for convenience, you have your elegant powder room. Now let's head on up towards the second level of this property. Welcome to the second level, where you have the hallway wrapping around the high ceiling space overlooking your grand living area. This makes for a great ambiance as you go in and out of the rooms. And now let's take a look at the second bedroom right here. Now this room has been set up as a bedroom and as a playroom. And this illustrates the size of the rooms. They're quite spacious, and this isn't even the primary bedroom yet. Here's another vantage point of your second level hallway, and for orientation's sake, you have a ground level bedroom. We took a look at the second bedroom, and you have a third and fourth bedroom here, all with their own ensuite bathrooms. And now we're gonna explore your primary bedroom. Let's go. And here we are at your primary bedroom, and you're in for a great surprise. This master bedroom immediately leads you to 2 separate, spacious walk-in closet spaces on both sides of the door. You have one on the right and here on the left. Both have full-length mirrors as well as island countertops as well. And from here, you have your main primary bedroom. And it's large enough to have 2 large nightstands and an entertainment console space here on the other side. You have your windows here facing the front facade of the property. And in addition, it also has access to a balcony space overlooking the pool. This is a great additional amenity for your primary bedroom, as another area where you can just relax looking over your amenity space. And on top of your spacious master walk-in closets, you have your primary bathroom. With a freestanding bathtub, a tempered glass door for your shower enclosure, dual vanity sink space with a very elegant aesthetic, and it also matches and complements the look of your primary bedroom. And now it's time to explore the third level of this property, where you have some great amenities. Let's go. Here we are at the third level, and on top of the 5 bedrooms that we already explored, this property also has a 30 to 40 square meter storage room. Now on top of your show kitchen, your auxiliary kitchen, you have a third kitchen right here, which caters to the third level, and at the same time you have a sink and an induction cooktop, and you can potentially have a small refrigerator here as well. Now this area services the 6th room of the house, so this can be considered the 6th bedroom. Currently it's been set up as a guest room with these 2 beds, but it also has cabinetry, air conditioning, and at the same time you have access right across towards a bathroom. Now, this bathroom already serves as the powder room for guests who are going here at the 3rd level. This home is truly built for a large family or a growing family or a family who wants to have so many options in terms of how they can maximize each room. So you can make home offices here, you can have additional den rooms because you have 6 rooms, a large storage room, and you have a 7th room right here, which is currently set up as an entertainment family room. So on top of your living space downstairs, you have this den room with an entertainment console area as well. And you can imagine having some great movie nights with your family here. Thank you for joining us in this tour. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, you can contact us to our details in the description below. You can also send us a message through Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bring you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.